After crunching the numbers for reliability data from over 380,000 vehicles provided by Consumer Reports members, these are the new SUVs you should avoid buying in 2026. If you're shopping for a mid-sized SUV, skip the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Owners reported problems with the steering, suspension, and drive system. Other factors like various noises and leaks dragged the Grand Cherokee down to the rock bottom of its class. If you're looking for a mid-sized SUV with 3 rows, steer clear of the GMC Acadia. Reported issues include major transmission problems, including leaks that required removing the transmission, issues with the brakes, and in-car electronic malfunctions. Shopping for something smaller? Think twice before buying the Chevrolet Equinox or its sibling, the GMC Terrain. Owners reported problems with the transmission computer, as well as leaks in the unit which required removal of the transmission to fix. Plus, there were issues with the body control module. The Volkswagen Taos gave owners problems too. In their responses, CR members said that they dealt with major engine problems, something nobody wants to deal with their daily driver. Luxury SUVs also have their reliability issues, and owners tell us the midsize Genesis GV80 has had its fair share of problems, specifically pointing out issues with the differential in the drive system, fuel pump and fuel injection problems, the climate system, steering and suspension, and electrical accessories. The smaller Genesis GV70 had similar issues. Owners in our survey reported problems with the fuel pump, drive system, climate system, and body hardware. And if you're interested in going all electric, you might want to skip the Chevrolet Blazer EV. In our survey, owners told us they had issues with the EV battery, the climate system and electrical accessories, as well as other in-car electronics, noises, and leaks. One Blazer EV owner told us that the battery sensors detected a fault and disabled the battery system on Thanksgiving, leaving the car inoperable. Now that you know what to avoid, we can help you find something reliable that fits your lifestyle and budget for both new and used cars, trucks, and SUVs. For our full reliability reports, scan the QR code now or visit consumerreports.org.